Hi, this is Quaker Boy's Bulldozer Moose Call, a very unique call you can use for either calf, cow, or bull sounds, and you can use it three different ways. When you get the call out of the package, you have to prep the call a little bit. You have to sand it back and forth with the Scotch pad that comes with the call. Blow off the loose dust that may be there, and then just apply a little fresh bit of chalk on it. That's going to help the striker catch the grain of the wood. It comes with the call. Also, there's a instructional DVD that comes with the call that will basically cover everything that I'm saying here today. This is the wood side. If this gets wet, you are at a disadvantage because the striker is going to slide on the slick surface. But we have put a resin coating on the back of the call, and then this can operate when the call is wet or is a very dewy morning. You're making S curves with the striker to give the cow calls. A calf call would be run up just to the corner of the side of the call and just short. In the bull, you make an inverted C. Do it on the wood side. The angle that you hold the striker is very critical in using this call, so you have to practice that out a little bit. You can also use it as a megaphone. Put your hands over the end of the call, pinch your nose so you get a guttural sound. To do the bull grunt, you say, oh, through the call. Again, Quaker Boys Bulldozer Moose Call, excellent call.